We know that the beauty of village is very beautiful. Now we are showing the beauty of village to you. It's a village where we are showing effort. I'm working and walking to the destination. It's a scene of rainfall here. It's a tree. It's a scene of falling rain in the village. The rain is falling again and again. We can call it that cats and dogs. A village people is walking side by side of the mosque. Is walking. It's a scene of the font. The rain is falling. It's a very beautiful scene. We can undoubtedly say that it's a very beautiful scene. It's called I'm walking. Here we are watching a polythene. A man is taking the polythene and he's outing the fish from the polythene. The font is another font. It's the village. Very beautiful scene. It's the house of a cow. Here we are watching two cows remaining. Two cows. It's the house of this cow. A hen is there. We are watching. It's the another house. The house is made by the soil. Very beautiful scene. It's the land of water. Here we are watching that two fearful assassin fish. Two people here. A hand is walking. It's another land. The rain is falling. The rain is falling and falling. It's a project of a fish. Two hands is walking to us. They're coming. One is got feared to see us. Very beautiful scene. It's another font. The water is entering in the font from the outside of the land. It's the scene we are showing to you. Here the water is entering in the font. Yes, you can see here. If the video is like to you, you can give a share and subscribe to our channel.